I'm gonna make an attempt to break a world record. Today's world record is probably gonna be broken by Mr. Carlos Lastra, but I'm gonna give it an attempt and see how far I can go on this. What's the number, Daniel? 59 shove-its. That is nearly a shove-it every single second for a minute straight. If you miss one, it's over. So
are they pop shove-its?
No, just
shoves.
Shoves. 59, that's it? I could do 159. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. Daniel's gonna time, and then Carlos.
Push came to shove.
Got it. And then Carlos is gonna break the record. And then we're gonna call the Guinness Book of World Records, get them here for the official thing. And then, yeah, you should be like an official world record holder.
I hope so.
Yeah, let's do this.
We'll do the best.
Okay, we got 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. And time.
46 in a minute. That's a lot.
My legs aren't burning. That's not pure pain. Woo!
Oh, you're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Wow. Probably not walking for a month. Just kidding. I'll walk tomorrow and the next day, and I'll skate tomorrow. Woo!
So, yeah.
Okay, Carlos, 59 shove-its.
You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna start on the other side because I have this theory. I'm gonna go on a downhill slant because if I go this way, it's gonna be uphill, and I want to keep the momentum going. That way, I can just do more. Hopefully, not less.
All right, what's your strategy here, Carlos?
Do as many before my legs burn.
True. All right, are you ready?
No.
Do you need to like get rolling first, or you're just gonna go for it?
I'm gonna go rolling first. Just click it after the first one, okay? Just slightly.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Come on. Keep going. You're 52. All right, time. Woo!
62.
That was it.
62.
That's right.
Oh, God, my legs are. Hold on. My legs.
Is there anyone you'd like to thank? The Academy?
Guinness World Records. Hope you guys come here and check this out. Aaron Kyro, thank you for giving me a standard to beat, and thank you for the world record.
Man, if you didn't mess up that 17th one,
that's okay.
you would have been like 65.
The record's a record, right?
So you're ready. You're ready. When Guinness actually comes, you can take him down.
I think so. Definitely need some more supplements for the legs.
Let's go home, take an Epsom salt bath, and then be back here in 5 minutes for a kickflip challenge.
All right.
All right, Carlos. You got 36 kickflips? Is that?
That's the BH.
Oh! How many? I already forgot. The ghost scared me.
We have 36 kickflips and 29 front shoves.
36 kickflips, 29 front shoves. Okay, 36 kickflips. A little more than one kickflip every 2 seconds.
To beat that, I would have to do like somehow.
You need to do one kickflip every 1.875 seconds.
1.875.
Yeah, that's
There's
how much time you have.
0.75. That's how detailed this is, but I'm down to try.
Yeah, 1.875. All right, let's go over here. All right, Carlos. You need to do any stretches? You gotta take everything out of your pocket. You had something in your pocket?
Yeah, I don't abide with Aaron on that.
God.
I'm gonna try one kickflip. Let me see where I'm at here. This doesn't count.
Yeah, just do little tiny little baby kick flips and then you can do more of them.
Just go for it. I don't really care.
You gonna get rolling first?
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. One more, come on, quick. You're right on track.
I'm not gonna make it. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it.
Time. Dude, how many was that? I lost count.
I lost count. The point is when your legs start burning, you can't keep track of counting, you know?
I love when you started to flick and then the board just went, ugh.
The board went, ugh. That wasn't me. The board went, ugh. I'm guessing like 26 maybe?
I think it was about,
like
about
26, maybe
22. Dude, that's insane. Who broke that record?
We need to find out.
All right,
You know
I'm
what,
gonna give you some time to
Yeah, let's go
replenish.
back.
All right, Carlos, we're on to the last one. Front shoves. The world record is 29. What really confuses me is that more kick flips were done in 1 minute than front shoves.
I honestly think that's like arguably arguable. I just tried the kickflip challenge and I couldn't even make it past 30. So I'm hoping to even get past 25 of these. If I can do that, then I'm like up there with the record. I'm not trying to break this one. I think I broke one today earlier so far, so I think I could walk away a champion. Let's just finish this and who's next, Fetty?
All right. Yep.
3, 2. Oh, you can tell I'm not good at this one.
No. Oh, we'll pause this one. We'll restart this one.
I'm gonna restart. You know, I think I shouldn't rush this. You know, a regular shove,
Yeah,
you
yeah, I
rush.
think you
I
gotta
should
take
just
your
take my
time.
time on this one. I think I'll be around 29 maybe.
29. You have one every 2 seconds, so you can take your time.
Okay.
All right, ready? 1,
Just let me know
2,
when I'm done.
3, go. Let's go. Time. You beat it.
What are you?
You got 30.
30?
30.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, you were literally so perfect.
My legs-
Every 10 seconds you did 5 exactly.
Dude, my legs burn. That's it?
That's
2
it.
records?
You did it, dude. Shoves
2
and front
records.
shoves.
I'm the shove it master.
World record's down.
Oh man. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
I'm so excited! Boom! I hope you guys enjoyed that video. My mind was blown. Click right here to check out the video where I nearly lost my actual real existence of life. the glass skateboard. You'll see what I mean when you watch the video. And you guys learn how to skateboard. We want each and every single one of you to get a board and learn. So click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and leave the comment below. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.